Here we have your homework for Thursday, November 7th. Please make sure to watch the tutorial, pause it as needed for complete understanding, and solve the problems at the end showing all of your work. Okay, so tonight we're going to go ahead and work on 4 digits times 1 digit. And we are just going to go ahead and jump right into some practice problems. We have 3,220 times 3. And the first thing that we remember we need to do is go up. So we have 3 times 0, which of course is 0. Good job. And the next thing we need to do is go to the left. So we're going to have 3 times 2, which is 6. And the third thing we do is we just keep going on to the left, to the left, to the left. So we have 3 times 2 again, which is 6. Perfect. And of course, we just keep on going to the left, to the left, to the left. And we have 3 times 3, which is 9. So our answer there, 3,220 times 3 equals 9,660. All right, so we have 7,849 times 1. Now this one should not be very tricky at all for you, especially if you remember the identity property of multiplication. So I'd like you to go ahead and pause me, pause me and go ahead and work it out on your own and then come on back. Okay, so hopefully you've paused me and you've figured it out in your back. So the first thing you do is go up. You have 9 times 1, which of course is 9. Then you go to the left. 1 times 4, which of course is 4. And then you keep on going to the left. And 1 times 8 is 8. Oops. And you keep on going to the left. 1 times 7 is 7. So our answer, 7,849 times 1 is 7,849. Again, the identity property. If you multiply anything by 1, you get that number. Fantastic job. And here we are on the homework part of your homework. Please make sure to back the tutorial up if you get stuck on anything and work out all of your problems. And come in tomorrow ready with questions that you might get stuck on or with fantastic answers. The first problem you have is 2,102 times 4. The next problem you have is 6,132 times 3. The third problem you have is 4,110 times 5. And your very last problem is 3,142 times 2. Okay, so I know you're going to do a fantastic job. You're going to work out all of your problems and bring it in tomorrow morning. Have a wonderful night.